Okay. Um, why am I so nervous? Hi guys, my name is Rivy and I have a little sticker shop called It's Little Prints. And yes, here I am. I am actually finally doing it. I envision for this YouTube channel is pretty much bringing you guys along to be a sticker shop, an online sticker shop owner. I plan to have a weekly video for you guys, like a video diary, if you will. Talk about my shop, talk about new release, struggles I face, materials that I'm going through, studio vlogs, the growth and journey of my shop, whether I'm gonna stay with Etsy or whether I'm gonna move to another platform or maybe have my own website. And hopefully it could inspire people to do what they want to do. I have had It's Little Prints for almost a year now. Today is February 6th and I had my sticker shop since May of 2020 at the peak of COVID, the peak of quarantine. How it's like to run a sticker shop in New York, living in a, not super big apartment. Like my studio is literally the corner of my bedroom. Like my bed is right here and my desk is here. And it's just making it work. It's not all glitz and glamour, but you do what makes you happy and you make the best of it. I'm really nervous about making a YouTube channel. I'm scared of failures, but I'm very happy to say that I am now a full-time artist. I have left my 9-to-5 job to pursue in full-time artistry, to be a artist full-time. Do I have a concrete plan? Nope. Is that a smart move? I don't know. I have this really big gut feeling that I just gotta go for it. I just gotta go and hustle without the 9-to-5 job being in the way. And I'm just so happy to be on this new chapter and that I'm sharing it with all of you guys. And if I fail, that's okay. You guys witness it. But if it goes the other route, that'd be amazing. This took a big step. I just feel like we really have to live our life and there's really no security, like financial security or whatever, to be okay. I just feel like that's never gonna happen for me. So I'm just gonna go for it. So without further ado, welcome to It's Little Prints World. to the chase and show you the designs I have. Alright, are you ready? So these are not available on my Etsy shop yet, but these are some, I was playing with some calligraphy. So this one says dream of good things, and it has my little logo right there. It says progress over perfection. These are waterproof vinyls. I tested out today how to make it like to remove this border so it's easy to peel instead of like finding how to peel it off. So this is my messy desk. Here's my iPad. This is my coffee, and here where I store my stickers. Here is the label printer, and here are my greeting cards. Once I finalize how everything is with my desktop, I will do a little studio tour, if you will, but for now, this is my corner. Video. I didn't know how to. I'm just going to end the video here. It's now 1 a.m. and editing, I actually enjoy all this editing. I hope you enjoy it too. I've learned a lot. I've learned a lot with the graphics and playing along with the animation on Procreate. So I hope to do more. And yeah, don't don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.